Hi guys, my name is Brian Liu and today I'm gonna show you how you can turn this pile of mess from this to this. And all it takes is just a few simple steps and yeah, I'm sure you can do it. And this is how to style Asian hair. Alright, so you'll need three things. This is a post styler, a pre-styler, and a finishing product. So first you gotta wet your hair and then towel dry it. And that's me towel drying my hair. Alright, once you're done, just grab your pre-styler. One I'm using today is a Swim by Mentega. This is a sea salt spray and it's also a Malaysian brand, so yeah. Alright, so once you have done spraying your pre-styler, just grab your hair dryer, and that's the round brush that I use. And yeah, just put it to high, put the temperature to high, and put the speed to high. This is not really recommended if you're not that skilled because you'll really damage your hair, but I'm too impatient for that, so yeah. So you just blow dry your hair, just make sure you don't put your hair dryer at one position because you'll burn your hair and you don't want that to happen. Alright, so once I feel like it's 60% dry, I just put the temperature back to medium so I don't burn my hair. Yeah, that's all. Let me be the one to ease your pain. Baby, take a break. Alright, so once you're done blow drying, once it's like almost dry, just put it to low heat, to the coldest setting, and blast your hair to seal the follicle. This ensures that your hair stays up all day, and yeah, just make sure that it doesn't fall. And look at that, all them volumes, boy. Yeah, so this is the power of hair drying. If you have not tried it, I really do recommend it, as yeah, it really does make a big difference and it only takes like 2 minutes. Right, so this is the post styler. It's a clay. It's called Arcadian Clay Pomade. It's actually an American brand. And yeah, it's pretty good. If you guys want, you guys can check it out. The link is in the description. So I'll be taking a dime size amount. A fingertip amount actually. Yeah, it's around that. And make sure to always emulsify it properly with your hands. Just rub it vigorously for like, I don't know, 5 seconds. And when you apply, always apply from the back first so you don't oversaturate the front. If you do oversaturate the front, your hair might fall, which isn't what you want, so yeah, always start from the back. Oh man, look at my hair. Alright, yeah, so this is the second scoop. I'll take a smaller scoop, and that's a bit too much. Yeah, a smaller scoop, and then same thing, emulsify it. And this time it's safer to apply from the front first because I've already saturated the back, so. Alright, so once you have applied enough, you can go to styling now. This is basically where you just push your hair to where you want it to stay. And yeah, some final touch up, and there you go. First style done. So this is a very voluminous hairstyle. It's good if you want to go for parties and stuff, but today I'm actually feeling a bit more classy, so I'm actually going for a more classic style, a side part. Doing the side part is pretty easy. You just need to find your part. This might take a few practice, but once you get it, it's pretty easy. Yeah, what I'm doing there is because I feel like the part is a bit too low. I wanted it higher for the day. And yeah, so once you find your part, just push it to just keep pushing it. If you feel like you need more products, you can apply. That's fine. But I've already applied enough, so I'm not gonna apply. And yeah, because my sides are not really cooperating, so I use a brush to push it down to ensure that it stays in place. I have like 2 cowlicks at the back, so yeah, this happens. Lol. And yeah, some final touch-ups and you're done. This is a more classic style you can go for. Right, so once you've gotten the hairstyle you want, always finish with a finishing product, especially when you're living in a hot humid country like Malaysia. You do it just to spray in bursts. Make sure it's not too close to your face or to your hair. And yeah, make sure you cover your whole head. Do not overspray as you'll like kinda dry up your hair, which is not good. Yeah. And once you're sprayed, and you might get some flyaways at the side, so all you do is just spray some at your hands. And just smooth out the sides by just pushing it down. So that way your flyaways will be more controlled and they won't be flying all over the place. And yeah, that's all. So this is how the final hair looks. If you guys like this video, please do share this on YouTube, on Facebook, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and yeah, please do check out Common Communes. That's at COMMON. We're also actually gonna launch a Facebook page soon, where people can get together and discuss stuff and grow together. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.